Herbert thought that he was dead.
Just then a wolf appeared, which filled the crows and gophers with fear.
The wolf took Herbert through a dusty door that was on the muddy floor. Inside was a chocolate man with chocolate bunnies and a candy man. Everyone became good friends and decided to finish building Chocolate Land.
They added sprinkles and gummy bears. With a carpool lane for those who care. The gopher witch and her peeps wanted to move in, but they were mean.
Herbert made them promise to be good so they could move into the neighborhood.
Okay, remember 2 rows, bottom and top. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? If you can't see the audience, if someone's in front of you and you can't see past them, move so you can see the audience because that means they cannot see you. Okay?